Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be showing you a really fun little project for a housewarming party. We're going to use a combination of letters and traditional latex balloons to create a gorgeous backdrop for photos or even a photo booth. These are all the materials you'll need for this project. We'll need a balloon pump to fill our balloons, though hand pumps work, an automatic one's even better. Our balloons, of course, a straw for our letter balloons, and some adhesive dots or tape. Our first step will be to fill all of the balloons necessary. To avoid blisters, you can use a tying tool to tie off the balloons. Once you have enough balloons, you can move on to step 2. We're going to take our adhesive dots and stick them to the balloons. Then we stick the balloons to whatever surface we're using to set up around the edges of our backdrop. In this instance, we're using a vinyl fence. I recommend using a partner or two to help you set up and arrange the letters. You could even set them out on the ground beforehand to try and figure out exactly where you want to place them. Once you have all your balloons arranged, you have a really great spot for photos and an even better backdrop for photo booths. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and drop us a comment below.